Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to put an image or an object or whatever it is you want to put behind a person or another object. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is make a selection of the object. Right, so in order to do that, we'll come over to right click here and click on quick selection tool. Then we'll make a selection of the lady. Right, make a selection of the lady and all that is here. Okay, so if we zoom in a bit, okay, we want to select the hair, so right click and click on the magic wand tool and hold down your shift key. While holding down your shift key, click on the hair. We're not going to take all the hair, we just need some of it. Right, so while holding down your alt key, you click on this gray area because you don't want it. Alright, so again, while holding down your shift key, click on this part, so I'll just get a bit of the hair. Alright, now with that done, what you need to do next is to right click and click on select and mask, or you can come over here, click on select and mask. Right, so what this does is it separates this part from the original image. Right, so now what we want to do is select this in a new layer. I'll click on new layer and click on OK. So come back here and turn on our background layer. Now the next thing to do is to bring in the object we want to use. So to do that, I will import the object. So I'm going to go to where I have that object. Okay, the object I'm going to use is the Instagram icon. Alright, so I'm going to scale it up a bit. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do is drag this icon in between these layers. Okay, as you can see, it's behind her right now, it's behind her. So another thing I want to do before I end this video is I want to match the perspective of the Instagram icon to the perspective of the wall. Right, to do that, I'll come over to edit and click on transform perspective. Right, so in order to change the perspective to the right or to the left, use this top and bottom layer, but if you want to do it up or down, you use the middle layer. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one and just try to align it as much as possible to make it look natural. Okay, so this is good, guys, so this is good. So I'm going to change the blend mode just to give it a little natural feel. Okay, so which one should we use? Okay, let's use multiply. Right, so guys, that is how to put an object behind any object or any shape at all. Alright, so if you loved this video, please do well to subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel a lot. Give it a like, and if you have any questions you want to ask, please do well to comment. Okay, so if you have other ideas on videos I should make or instructional videos I should teach, also leave it in the comments. Okay, and I will try my best to make that video for you. Alright.